Yo, Javon, man, and I'm back with another video, man. As you guys see by the title, man, you know it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna go down. Ain't gonna be crazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna make this girl pretty happy over here. She don't know what's going on. She don't know what's coming her way. But I know, you guys know. Y'all gotta see the title. It's gonna be crazy, you know what I'm saying? But you got anything you wanna say?
I'm scared.
I'm scared?
I'm sweating.
Alright, you guys see this in my hand, right? You guys see this blindfold, right? So basically, she cannot see what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So I told her, well, she actually came up with this idea to sit in this chair. So I told her, I'm gonna do a surprise on her. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, first I was like, I'm finna tie her up. Well, no, she said, so she's sitting in the chair. I'm finna do a chair. So I got this right here. You guys see the title? I'm gonna go crazy. Girl, sit down, man. Bro. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off real quick. Put this in the trash. Have a bag. Oh, this thing come on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on.
See?
Hold on, guys.
She got a tarantula. Babe, don't put no snake on me. Don't put no tarantula on me. Do not put no rat on me. Don't put no cockroach or no roach. Don't put no fly on me. Don't put nothing on me.
I ain't got time for you. Man, I'm scared of snakes, so I put a snake on you.
That don't mean you ain't got somebody else up in here to try to put a snake on me.
Man, I got nobody up in here, girl.
If you got somebody else up here, I'll beat you and him.
She said me and him. Alright, let's go.
What is that?
Yeah.
What the heck? Babe, now I got a little piece of hair on my legs.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was that your Oh my god. What the heck? It's too tight.
Oh, I mean.
Yes, that's like crazy. Ouch, my arm hair. Ow. Ow.
Hold on right there, guys.
What the heck? I can't even breathe. Babe.
What?
You didn't tell me you was gonna put duct tape on me. Oh. You put it too much. Okay.
I'll make sure you can't move.
That's my arm hair. Ow. Oh my god. Okay, I can't move.
I'll do that.
Oh my god.
You guys think that's enough?
Yes.
You can't move for real?
No.
Move it, Missy. Try to move your feet. Move your feet. Look at that. See, you get close to
Whoa, babe. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, guys, you think that's enough? All right, I think that's enough. All right, guys.
Shoot.
You keep moving your feet, Missy. All right, guys, that's enough.
Yes, it is.
You can move?
No.
Yes, you can. I told you it's gonna be crazy, right?
Why did I sit in this chair?
It's gonna be crazy, right? Spam comment, like, comment down below, subscribe. It's gonna be crazy.
You annoying is what you is.
You know what I'm saying? All right,
Hey,
guys.
please don't put.
Here's the fun part. I'll be back. Babe, I'm not getting no snake or nothing like that. Just stay still. I'll be back.
I can't do nothing but stay still. Why you gonna tell me don't move if I can't move already? What you gonna put on me?
This girl here, man. Babe, I'll be back.
Where you going?
I'm gonna go in the restroom right here.
What's in the restroom?
Nothing. I'm gonna get the little thing.
No.
Babe, I'll be back. Babe, I'm not getting no snake, no nothing like that. I promise. Listen, everything. I'm not getting no snake. I'm not getting no animal at all. Alright, guys. So, y'all see the time, man. It's really crazy. I think this show my girlfriend make up. Not all of them, some of them. Huh? Babe, don't move. Man, stop moving, man. Alright, guys, I'm back in the room now. I got the surprise right here.
Man, that sound like a big box.
Hey, stay still, man.
No.
What's wrong with you?
You scaring me. You say you always protect me. You would not endanger my life.
All right, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Let me sit down right here. Baby?
What?
What's up?
Why are you yelling at me?
Huh?
Why are you
So
yelling?
guys, should I take the blindfold off now? Take the blindfold off?
Yes.
Huh?
And the duct tape.
On the duct tape.
And the duct tape.
Why duct tape?
Cause
Cause what?
I need to be able to move just in case I need to run fast.
Go fast from what?
From something.
Alright. Alright, guys.
Oh my gosh.
About to go crazy. You love me, babe? Can I get one last kiss?
No.
Why?
Because you can have a cat or something. When I come in to kiss you, you're going to have that cat or something to kiss me. Or
Whoa! Alright, guys.
stop yelling. You scare me.
Alright, guys. We're finna run it up right now. Let's go. So, babe, you want to take a blindfold off?
Yes.
Alright.
And the duct tape.
Alright. You can take the blindfold off, not duct tape.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready? 1, 2.
Don't do it.
Open your eyes.
No.
Open your eyes.
If you got. No, I hear stop. What is that, piranhas? You got piranhas? Babe.
God, what the
What is you doing?
What am I doing?
What is you doing?
Hi.
Why you have my makeup? What is you doing? Babe, what you about Oh my, what is you doing?
That sound crazy.
What is you doing? You about to burn my makeup? Babe.
Hey. Alright, guys. I'm going to zoom in.
You a maniac. What is you doing? Don't. No, stop.
Alright, we'll find the least expensive one.
Babe. Stop. All of that is expensive.
Woo.
Babe, leave it alone. What are you doing?
Bro.
That don't mean it's not
You
expensive.
guys drop a like for this video, man. This video about to be crazy.
Stop. Boy, you're not about to do that.
Woo.
Babe.
Ooh.
Stop.
I'm zooming some more for you guys.
Look at my hair. Babe, stop for real. Stop.
Keep blowing it. Whoa.
Stop. Oh my God. Stop.
What are you doing?
Babe, stop. Leave it alone.
You wanna go too?
No. Javon, I swear if you burn my shit, you gonna buy it over.
Whoa!
Babe, Stop.
Oh, guys!
Okay, you know
What is it got right here? What is
that
it?
hurt.
What is it?
Why you put it on?
What's
Okay, you
it?
Babe, stop.
What?
What is you doing? No!
Why?
Don't do that.
Why? How much was it?
That was a lot of money.
Alright, it was a lot of money, guys. Should I do it? I'm getting better for that. I ain't gonna do it.
Thank you. Don't do none of that. No, leave that alone.
Who got me here?
Babe, that's my everyday makeup stuff.
Who got right here, guys?
You annoying. Stop. Look, you dropping stuff. Put it back. Oh my gosh, Javon.
This is torture. This is torture. This is torture.
Stop. Look what you doing. You annoying. Put my shit down. Put it down.
What are you doing? Percy, stay still. Stay still. Stay still.
Babe, stop. Stop. You gonna mess up my brush.
Ooh. Kill him. God.
Stop. Leave that alone. I just got that.
You got this? All right.
Yes.
You get bad for the job. Ooh, another one?
No, leave it
I'm
alone.
hot. You yawning? You tired?
Babe, stop. No, I use it every day. Don't do that. Leave it alone.
Ooh. Ooh.
Stop. You can't burn that.
Ooh.
Babe.
Ooh.
Did you burn my shit? Let me see.
Spotlight, guys. The prank is just getting crazier.
Babe.
DM me some more pranks. Cause the prank king is in the house.
Who told you to do this?
What's next?
Who told you to do this?
Shut up your mouth.
You shut up your mouth. Who told? Look here.
Ooh. Ooh.
You wanna die?
Ooh.
Do you wanna die? My
Ooh.
shit.
Ooh.
Stop!
Ooh.
Babe! Stop! Stop!
What is these? What is these?
Stop! What is you doing? No! No!
Ooh. It caught a fire in two fire, guys. Ooh.
Babe, stop! Look what you're doing. Don't put it back in there. Give it to me.
Ooh.
Give it to
I'm
me.
gonna kiss.
No.
I'm gonna get
Give it.
Let me get a kiss.
You better, babe, stop. You already burnt that.
Oh, crap.
Babe. Babe, why you just throw it on there like that? Stop. Look what you're doing. Okay, just remember what you're doing. Don't touch me.
You guys think it's enough? Should I stop? Cause I'm getting hot up in here. That means it's time for more, huh? Hey, she always scared me.
Look, this stuff is pulling off my arm hair.
What?
Ouch.
Alright, guys.
Babe, come on, my stomach hurt.
Aww.
Stop. Leave it alone.
You guys think should I wrap it up? Should I wrap it up?
Yes, because you're going to buy all that stuff back. Look what you're doing. Stop, Javon. Stop. Really, let me see what you can do. They can't even see it. Javon! It's okay, because you're going to buy that back.
Who gonna bite back?
You?
I'm sweating because it's hot up in here. Focus.
How you gonna tell me I'm gonna be happy after this?
You gonna be happy.
No, because you messed up my makeup. And my stomach hurt. Now, shit, get.
What is she doing? Where you going, girl? Baby girl, you stuck. Baby girl, you stuck. Why you pull this crap on me? Ooh, I broke it. Ooh, guys, I broke it. I broke it. Why are you coming out the thing for? What next should I burn, guys? Oh, guys, she's coming out. I think it's time to get up out of here. Ooh. What we got here? Should I keep going or should I stop? Should I keep going or should I stop? Y'all makeup girls, I know y'all probably like, y'all probably gonna kill me, huh? She's, oh, I think we got a problem here. She's coming out. What is this right here? Ooh. Yeah. Oh, shit. Guys, I think it's time to go. Babe, it was just a prank. Babe, it's a prank. It's a prank, baby. Babe, it's a prank, baby. Babe, it's a prank. Bring one more. Ooh.
Stop!
It's a prank, babe. It's a prank. Chill out. I'm sweating hard as it. Where you going, baby girl? Where is he going, baby girl? Y'all guys, make sure y'all smack up that like button, man. Subscribe. Should I keep going? Should I keep going or should I stop? Should I keep going or should I stop? I'm gonna get ready to start running because when she get on this thing right here.
You put on my boobs, yo. Ow. Ow.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey! Oh, I'm an evil person, guys. I'm evil. I'm so evil. I need to stop. Let me pick up these 2 and 4. Oh. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Chill out. Babe, it's a prank. Chill out. Babe, it's a prank, babe. Chill out, babe, it's a prank. Oh, shit. Oh. Guys, I think it's time to go. Babe, it's a prank, babe. Chill out, babe. Chill out. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Chill out. Babe, why did I do this prank? Babe, it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. What is he doing?
Ow! Stop! Don't just pull it off like that.
Babe, it's a prank. What is he doing?
Ow! Stop! Don't just pull it off like that. I will punch you in your balls. Look how red I am. Babe.
Oh, damn. Hey, guys, this video deserves a thumbs up, man. Y'all better like this video up, man. This is weird. Y'all better like this video up, man.
Give me that box cutter.
Why?
So I can cut
So you can cut me?
Babe.
Ooh. Yeah. 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 Ooh. Okay, I think it's time for me to stop playing. Look at my hand. What are you trying? Look what you do to my hand, guys. Look at my hand. Alright, guys. You guys think I want to see for say Team Javon. Say Team Javon. Team Javon. Team Javon.
You, Javon.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Team Javon. Say Team Javon. Team Javon. Y'all guys come up Team Javon, man. Spam it up! Prank Wars. It's just the beginning. I'm gonna make sure everybody say Team Javon. Everybody go say Team Javon. This is just the beginning. Babe, it's a prank. Chill out. Babe, it's a prank. Chill out. Babe. Baby.
Get your ass off of me.
Guys, she's coming out. Guys, save me! Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah!
Let's go. Let me get you.
Stop! Stop!
Now go get my shit up.
It was a good prank, right?
No, it was not a good prank.
It was a good prank, right?
No. I got bruises all over me now.
Y'all guys, spam up the like button now! Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, right? Spam it up, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.